Hey peeps, I welcome you all. Now, the New Year celebration are behind us, and it's the time to shift gears and focus on making 2025 an unforgettable year. I know we all have set our goals and resolution. Now it's the time to put in the work. Just remember why you started, break down your goals into smaller ones, and celebrate your progress along the way. So let's make 2025 a year of growth, progress, and achievement. Stay focused, stay committed, and most importantly, stay true to yourself. You got this. I'm going to revise previous chapter. Let's be real. Forgetting is the part of the learning. Have a look on my notes how I made it. You can also see here how I used my own language. So I just don't need to decode it from English to Hindi to understand it. Like seriously, if something is already complicated, then why would you make it more complex? Just simply wrote it down in your own language. It's your notes, you will read it, you will understand. It's limited to you only. My notes is filled with lots of questions and PYQs. I hope it helps, like it helped me. Now it's 4 am and I'm feeling so tired. I'm going to sleep now. Bye. Bye, guys. Good night and sweet dream. Okay, bye. We'll meet you next video.